Hi, welcome to another episode of I Can Alteryx That with coaches Alex and John. This is John here. Today we're going to cover Alteryx Weekly Challenge number 9, where we're going to make a rank. Let's get started. Alright, Alteryx Weekly Challenge number 9. The goal here, determine the top 5 based on the count. However, since there are multiple rows with the same count, multiple people can be in the same place. So we got like Bob, Brady, Burton with 3, 14, and 4, and looking at the output. Okay, see, Janet and Mark have 17, so they're both a 1, and we go from 29 records down to 12. So, let's go ahead and connect a sort tool. We're going to sort by count in descending order, and then we will sort by the first name in ascending order, which will account for any ties. Let's go ahead and run that to see how it looks. Okay, and you see we've got Janet, Mark, Paul, Brady, Janet, Mark, Paul, Brady. So we got the order right. So now what we need to do is create a rank column. So we'll go ahead and connect a multi-row formula. We will call it rank. It's already an int32, which is fine. So we'll say, basically we want to go, if there's a tie, the rank stays the same. Otherwise, the rank increases by 1. So we'll say if row minus 1 of count equals the current row's count, then we'll do row minus 1 rank plus 1, else, oh, pardon me, if they're the same, we'll want to keep it the same. Otherwise, row minus 1 rank plus 1. Run that. Alright, we got 1, 1, 2, 3, 3. This looks good. So we'll go ahead and connect a filter where rank is less than or equal to 5. And that should do it for us. 12 and 12, that looks good. Alright, and these all look the same. And there you have it. Alteryx Weekly Challenge number 9. Thanks for watching. As always, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the Data Coach channel for more awesome lessons on Alteryx and all things data analytics and visualization. Follow Data Coach on Twitter at AskTessellation and follow me personally at jemery_dataviz. Thanks again.